I want am maybe like this, it will be like this. I go to carry am. You understand? You can do it like steak. The steak. Now eat this, so I dey do design. I don't do design. Guys, look at freezer. Hey guys, look at. Hey, wetin e resemble like. Guys, this is how you can do your meat. I've washed my hand. This is my grind meat. What you do, I have my spice, green spice. I have my pepper sauce. I have my Maggi salt. So I will be putting I will put in a bit of Maggi salt. This is what I want to show you guys. Bit of Maggi salt, not too much. Then we'll be taking some of the spices. We'll put spices there. This is how you can do it to show your children. This you make it for your children yourself. It's like steak. Me, I don't put pepper, be that. I know they waste time. I put small spice. Make I know they waste time. Look at these other spices. Go for freezer. So my people, yes, my people, go they put small. I go put small olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, put normal oil. Mix well. It's just from the fridge, so it's tight. You mix everything mixable, so that after you can compact and now like the steak you used to buy. You can buy your meat, you do like this. If you don't like to put pepper, no be na more. So all mix. See, I don't mix some. This is grind meat. I don't mix some. I don't take enough of they put on here because I want to do steak. I want to do steak haché. This is steak haché. So I have something that I will be cutting the steak. You can do like this, the form of steak now. You can do your own anyhow you want to do your own, my sister, my brother. When you want fry and you just take them. They see them. I found this way. I can leave it like this. I can still cut it like this. I'll do like this. See guys. Press some. Can press it like this. See. So if